Hey y'all, welcome to Moggy Games. Today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and turn any video that you're watching into your language. So it could be in another language, and then use YouTube and Google to automate the captions for you to read in your own language. Let's go ahead and start here by hitting the top right corner where your profile is, your little picture, and then you go down to settings, and then you're going to want to hit playback and performance. That's the third one down there. Now you want to make sure that you've got include auto generated captions, but you can always show captions. I do, because sometimes it's just quiet in here and I don't want to wake people up with a small house, so I always have my captions on. But you definitely want to include the auto-generated captions. But that will make it in any language that it is in. So if the video is like in Spanish, like this Peppa video I'm fixing to click here, the captions will show up in Spanish. Now we need to go ahead and make sure that we have the Spanish generated captions in the language that you need. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Spanish. And there's the captions, on and off toggle there. But right next to it is the settings. And sometimes you need to click it twice. This one works the first time. Auto translate. And it'll auto translate to whatever language you have set originally, or you can set it to your preferred language. And there we go. Translated. It's not the perfect translation, but it is translated so that you can understand it in your language. Go ahead and use this for all my videos if you are of a foreign tongue and have a hard time with English, because my English is not perfect. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.